Alright guys, so this is the Mark 4 GTI Golf. So here's the mounting, there's the mounting holder. So we've removed the mounting of this car because the motor was leaning at an angle. So we've jacked everything up. Everything is on a jack, it's on bricks over here. And then the reason why the mounting or the motor was leaning is because over here we have a snap bolt, and this side as well is another snap bolt. So the whole motor was leaning because the mounting bolt snapped off, which made the whole motor lean to the side. And this is the Mark 4 Golf GTI, not the R32 version, just the stock with the turbo and everything, but that's not important. What's important is both the bolts has broken off, and we are now busy with trying to get those bolts removed. Once we've gotten those bolts removed, I'll update you some more on this part of the motor. So for now we are going to call someone out that can do the threading, basically a thread guy that can do this for us. We do not want to cause any more problems where there's already a problem. So peace, Hanky. So we do not want to cause any more problems where there's already a problem. Other than that, we've removed the mounting, the water bucket. So there's the water bucket over there. We've removed everything, all the wirings that goes on here. A water pump, the water fuel line. We removed the power steering pump as well. Not the power steering pump, the power steering pipe. Everything that is inside this side of the motor, we've removed. That side is still attached and everything. So if you have any questions on problems that you might have on your mounting, comment down below. If you found this video helpful or informative in any kind of way, drop a like, subscribe, and ask away any questions that you might have on the Mark 4 Golf GTI.
1.820 valve.
1.820 valve. Say it again. 1.820 valve. 1.820 valve.
MK4 turbo.
MK4 turbo. Where's your turbo? Show them your turbo.
2004 model.
Where's the turbo?
You won't be able to see it.
It's hidden. See how this guy lies. He says he has a turbo in there, but I can't see the turbo. The turbo somewhere behind there. And then, yeah guys, so that is it for this one. The mountings just snapped on this car, leaving both the bolts cut off in a certain way, so we can't rethread it or anything like that. And then Mark 4 Golf GTI, I'll update you on the next one. Peace.